first found out about the Jain Industry Partnership Program, I was very excited about the opportunity to get to know a little bit more about creative careers within corporate companies and design companies. I was really interested to hear how these creative professionals got into the position where they're at now and what led them there. That was something that really interested me. I was also interested in the one-on-one mentorship as well. I wanted to have that personal connection with a professional designer and receive advice from them and kind of see what led them to where they are now.
I guess the whole reason why I came to stamps was this interdisciplinary approach where you kind of get to try many different areas of art, and I didn't know what career path I want to go after, I guess, after college. And so the Jain Industries program, it kind of just broadened my horizons, I guess, and made me more aware of what fields are out there after I graduate, and made me feel a bit more comfortable going about college knowing that these are certain Stamps alums and here's where they are now, and like they're obviously very successful, so kind of gave me some stability.
There were a lot of reasons I wanted to participate in the program. One of them, I wanted to kind of start building connections early on. I wanted to get in the same room as people that could help me later on in my career and that I could really learn from.
I thought this program would be a really cool way to give back to students. I don't know, thinking back to when I was in school, it was very hard to get a good understanding of what the real world looked like after college. And so I thought it'd be fun to be able to give my 2 cents and hopefully help a student out on their path. I think there's just been some very connecting of the dots moments of figuring out how to help match what the expectations are of future work in the corporate world, essentially, and how to bridge that gap between being a student and then transitioning into being a working adult, I guess you could say, if you wanted to go down that path. And so it's fun to be able to tease apart and have them think more critically about what they want and then how they're actually going to get there and help guide them along that journey.
I feel like this experience helped me to confirm the path that I was thinking and also focus in on what exactly I wanted that path to go or where I wanted it to take me. I felt that hearing from design professionals and their experience and what led them there helped me to think about experiences that I want to do and where it'll take me in the future. I felt like it also really helped me to hone in on my audience and the kind of impact that I want to make through my art and through my designs.
I was unsure whether I wanted to pursue creative work in a consultancy setting or a corporate setting. And this program's been really great because I get insight into both of them. And I've also been able to build a lot of connections through this program. Networking is huge.
I attended all the workshops on Fridays, and I feel like all of them gave different insights. All of them showed me something new and a different perspective on their jobs, working in a corporate company, their experience, what led them there. And I felt like I could resonate with each and every one of them and learn something new.